In this video, we will show you how to fix SD card issues. In some cases, you may have noticed that your SD card does not show the right size of its capacity. I found this mostly after flashing any Raspberry Pi image. When these SD cards are inserted, the windows give a warning that you need to format the SD card for use. Then we can see two partitions on the SD card when we check these removable media from File Explorer. One of them showing some MB of space and the other one with 0 bytes, also in an inaccessible form. So in this video, we'll show you two methods of formatting and retrieving the full capacity of the SD card. The first option is using the Windows Disk Management and the second one with the Windows DiskPart. So let's go to the first method. First of all, right-click the Windows menu icon, and then choose Disk Management. Find the SD card and then delete the partitions. Now we will get the total unallocated amount of space. So we need to create a simple partition volume right now. After that, go to the File Explorer and format the SD card. Now we can see the full amount of space as being recovered. Let's go to the second method, the effective DiskPart tool. Open the Start menu for this and type DiskPart. Then you will get a command prompt like window. Type the command list disk to print the number of disks attached. Select the SD card disk using the select disk command. Then use the command clean to clear the partition data. Now we can see that the partition has been cleared. After the disk has been cleaned, enter the command create primary partition. Then make a quick format. Now the windows have been detected the reclaimed SD card.